This is stock number J5653. This is a 2009 Chevy Avalanche. This is a 5.3 liter crew cab short box. Bridgestone dueler tires with about, I'd say, 80% of the tread left. Color is white diamond and the paint is very clean and reflective. Body's in great condition. There are no dings or dents on this side of the vehicle. Back tires have just as much tread as the front. Also has wheel well covers, and frame and underbody is very clean all the way down. Has a hard tonneau cover. Bed of the vehicle is very clean as well and in great condition. Tailgate's also in great condition, no dings, dents, or chips. Has a nice towing package and backup sensors. This side paint is just as clean and reflective as the other side. No dings or dents on this side either. In the LTZ package you get the nice tan and brown interior. Nice tan leather seats which are in great condition. No rips or tears. Powered seats, also heated and AC'd. Turned out 4-wheel drive, and now we'll see how many miles. This Avalanche has 37,898 miles. Multifunctional steering wheel with the Bluetooth. Optional tap shift. CD player. Power pedals. Multifunctional rear view with the OnStar, and headliner is very clean. Vehicle does have a sunroof, and passenger side of the vehicle is just as clean as the driver's side. Back is just as clean as the front. Seats as well. Seats are in great condition back here as well. No rips or tears in any of the seats back here. Seats fold up and also fold down. Vehicle does have a DVD player, and now we'll start up this Avalanche. Side mirrors have the built-in directional signals. Rest of the body on this vehicle is very clean, including the hood. Engine bay is also very clean. This Avalanche sounds great and it runs very smooth. To see more pictures of the Chevy Avalanche, please visit lenzauto.com.